Hi, so today we're gonna teach you how to fix the Instagram Notes feature that is not showing. Well, first off, we'll have to open our Instagram app. When you're here, we'll be able to see the features here at the messages part. So as you can see here, we can click this one. Then let's create a new note and let's just type out whatever we want. Click share and it will automatically be posted in our account. However, if that does not work, head over to your profile, then click the three bar up there, click settings, and head over to privacy. So let's scroll down until we see this one, activity status. Make sure that it's turned on, not like that one, and just click it. So let's head back now to our messages. And here we'll see the notes. And if it's still not working, we can go back to our profile and settings. Just click it. So once here, just click the help button down here and click the report a problem. Then simply turn off the shake feature, then click this one. So here, just click continue. Then let's go type here the problem that we're experiencing. Let's say that we cannot access the notes feature and we hope to experience it as well. And let's just finish typing. Once you're done, just click send and you're good to go. So you'll have to wait for the response of the Instagram team and be sure that your app is up to date. So that's it. Thank you for watching.